This is the new CFX continuous flow extractor from Rotovac. The CFX has dual ZX vacuum motors custom made for Rotovac from Lam Ametek. These motors produce fantastic, awesome suction power. You can run up to 200 feet of vacuum hose off of this and still get really good drying results. The lower half is your recovery tank. The top half is your two vac motors and your empty pump. So as you suck the water back to the CFX, it's automatically pumped back out for continuous flow extraction. So you never have to stop to fill or empty. You hook up to any water source, any faucet, shower head for your incoming hot water, and clean away. Now you're ready to hook this up to your cleaning tool and start cleaning with an unlimited supply of hot water. So let's go do that. Come on out. Oh, this is nice and hot. Check out that view tube. Look at all the water flowing through there. Now you're ready to start cleaning. Now I'm cleaning with the water on in both directions, overlapping my cleaning passes by about 50%. And once you've covered an area of about 6 feet by 6 feet with the water on, you let off the water and do a vacuum only dry pass. You get maximum extraction. So this carpet is all pre-sprayed, and now you're coming along with your cleaning tool, whether it's a 360 or a regular wand or whatever you're using, and you have an unlimited supply of hot water coming directly from the faucet. And as everything is vacuumed back into the CFX, it's automatically pumped down the toilet or any drain, wherever you want your dirty water to go. So you never have to stop to fill or empty. It's kind of like having a truck mount parked in the bathroom or in the kitchen. You never have to move the machine. It's non-stop cleaning with the continuous flow extractor, the CFX. With dual ZX vacuum motors, you can run up to 200 feet of vacuum hose. And the CFX only weighs about 40 pounds. And if you're ever in a situation with your CFX where you do not want to hook up to a faucet or a sink or a shower head, you want to use it more like a traditional extractor, you can get the docking station right here, which holds 27 gallons of water. It's a giant holding tank, 27 gallons, and it has a 250 psi adjustable pump, or you can get it with a 1,000 psi pump. And then your CFX just fits right onto it. And now you have a portable extractor with high capacity extraction, high capacity auto pump out.